Good morning everybody. Today I'm going to take you a tour around the resort where we've been staying for the last week. It's called Nature Beach Resort. Let me take you into one of the rooms and then we'll go around, we'll see the swimming pool and the beach area. Okay, so this is a budget bungalow room and this comes with aircon. This is number 310. These are about 15 square meters inside. You know, it's really airy. You've got 3 big windows there. You've got a nice porch. You've got 2 seats there where you can sit at night time. Let's go inside. In fact, there's ours, number 311. That's ours, but we can't show you that one. It's got too much rubbish in it. And here you go, guys. This is exactly what you'll get. This is exactly what we got. Beautiful clean covers. Beautiful clean pillowcases. Nice, a nice colour in the room. Nice and simple. There's your little table for your laptop, or that's what I've been using it for, my laptop. And then you have the safe there. It's an electronic safe, keep your valuables in. Nice little seat. And here's your bathroom. Nice little sink here. Plenty of room in here. Very clean. These people didn't know that I was coming here to video this, and they've just opened this up for me so I could be a guest. And here's the shower area. Massive shower area. Doors through into there. You can close these doors, but as you can see, this is lovely and clean, and that's the most important part. Nice, and there's the windows can open. And always read the rules when you come in. There's only takes 2 minutes. So here you have it. That's one of the rooms. Let's go and check out the pool area, and then let's go and check out the beach area. Everybody wants to see that. This place is based on tranquility and peacefulness, and I can assure you we've had that for the last week. Absolute bliss. These bungalows, this is the upper end of the budget. These look really nice. Look at that for light coming in. I'll show the costs later on in this video. This area is to relax in. And there's the piste de resistance, the swimming pool. And this is the pool, and just there is the beach. Within 10-15 yards. Absolute beautiful place. And there's your bar area. So this is us in the bar area. Do a happy hour. You can see they've got everything here that you want to drink, guys. And this is also acts as a restaurant as well. You can get really nice food here. We've had food, it was absolutely beautiful. And here's a decking that you can sit and relax, have your food, have a drink. And there you go. Absolutely stunning. Palm trees for shade. A really nice beach here along the beach. There's only 4 resorts that actually have a sandy beach here on the beach, so if you're booking up, and then check out that you've got a sandy beach and know the rocks. And here we come into the reception area. This is an elevated area. It's nice and airy up here. Really comfy sofas there. There's tables. It's a beautiful place, this. As you can see from up here, we've got the swimming pool. Here's the beach. This place is paradise. Absolute paradise. We've had an absolute ball here for the last week. Okay, so when you come to reception, you'll see On.
Not me.
And this is Fang. He works here as well. And here's a list of the prices, guys. if you're coming here. So for example, from the 11th of January 2018 to the 30th, the budget room that I showed you, that's 1200 baht per night. And 1200 baht works out at about 30 euros or £30. But if you go on the Nature Beach Resort website, if you go on booking.com or Agoda and find out the prices on there, if you get it cheaper through them, phone up Nature Beach Resort and try and ask them if they'll match the price. But it's definitely worth it coming here. Really nice place, and we've enjoyed it. The Chang beer, that's 100 baht. That works out at about €2.50. But look where you are. You're right on the beach, and I don't think that's a bad price for this area, guys, to be honest. As you can see, it's a beautiful backdrop with the palm trees. Makes it look absolute beautiful and tropical. It really is the perfect place to come and relax. There's couples here, there's families here with very young children, there's old people here, young people. This place is for everybody. But if you want to come and relax, if you've got any stresses, Nature Beach Resort is definitely the place to come on Lonely Beach, Koh Chang, Thailand. Contributing to the local economy. So what happens in the evening, they'll set up the barbecue on the beach right next to Nature Beach Resort. And you can order fish, baked potatoes, corn on the cob, prawns, and they'll cook it here for you. Some setting, guys. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. We're going to leave it there for today. We've had a fantastic time here at Nature Beach Resort. Unfortunately, we have to leave tomorrow and we're off to Cambodia. So if you've liked this video, guys, hit the thumbs up. What's not to like, subscribe to my channel if you're just viewing this video for the first time. Hit the comment if you've got anything to say in the comments. Comment and let me know what you think. And please share the channel, guys. This helps me grow, get more viewers, get more subscriptions, and I can get videoing more videos for you as well. So I'm going to leave you with this here. Beautiful sight, look at that. Until the next time, take care.